Hi, it's Marina from Frameright. In this video, I will show you how Quick Compose works. If you tend to work with the same collection of crops most of the time, I'm sure you will find Quick Compose beneficial. This feature will save you a lot of unnecessary clicks. By turning on Quick Compose, Frameright AI will automatically define the crops in the selected collection. This means you do not need to click and add each definition individually. The only thing you need to do is to check the results in the preview mode and adjust accordingly if needed. So this is how it works. To access your collection settings, click on the gear icon next to the collection name. Click on the checkbox next to the lighting icon. Now, when you go back to the crop view, you will see the lighting symbol next to the collection. This means that the Quick Compose is on and activated. Let's see how this works in practice. I'll bring in a picture and like so, the crops for the entire collection were automatically generated. I recommend using the preview mode to take a closer look. Here you can use arrow keys to browse through the crops. If you don't like a suggestion, you can easily adjust it. Just click on the tool icon on the thumbnail and the specific crop will open in the crop view. Adjust as needed and then click the preview tab to get back to the preview mode and browse further. When you're done, you can save or export the image, whatever fits your flow the best. And remember, you can just stay in the preview mode and open a new image here and quickly check the results. So, this is how Quick Compose works. I hope you will find it useful. I got two more things to add. First, you can activate Quick Compose for multiple collections. And second, and this is an important one, it is easy to forget that Quick Compose is on. And it might get overwhelming when you're wondering why are these images having all these crop definitions when they should not have any. So be mindful to switch it off when you do not need it.